Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and trying to create a new Apple ID, or you're trying to verify your phone number in your Apple ID, but you're facing this step error that your phone number cannot be used to at this time, please try again later. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So basically it happens when the phone number you're trying to use are already linked with another Apple ID, or sometimes it might be a network issue which can easily be fixed. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that your phone number you're trying to use to verify your Apple ID has not linked to another Apple ID, or if it's linked, to try to use another phone number, or if it's not linked to any account, so you can easily fix this issue. You just have to simply open your settings app here. Very first, I recommend you have to try to connect with the strongest and a stable network connection. After that, you have to go to your settings, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and go to language and region section, select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, you have to go back from here and go to date and time section. You just have to make sure that your date and time is enabled to set automatically. After setting your date and time, again go back and here go to software update section and try to update your software. If you find any pending update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here and here go to screen time section, go to content privacy restrictions, disable all the restrictions from here, then go back and here I recommend you how to try to reset your network settings. Open your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixing the step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network setting, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it will fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.